Good morning, friends. I'm trying to film with my DJI. It keeps telling me my DJI camera, and it's telling me that I should format. SD card is full. I emptied out my SD card, and it's still giving me the same issue. So I don't even have time. The kids are getting ready to go to school. I'm also ready. I just wanted to talk to you guys this morning. I'm not even using my mic because I'm filming with my phone. Like, there's nothing I could do. Okay, Isabel. Renee, can you come, please?
Okay, yeah.
You guys, look at my baby. Look at my baby. Okay, I love you so much, so much. Mommy, so I'm done. I wanted to show you guys my quick OOTD for today. I'm wearing this dress. Beautiful dress. And yeah, hope you guys like it. And it's a long dress. I've been into dresses lately. I don't know if you can tell. Into dresses, skirts, very, very girly stuff. So yeah, I need to get my nails done. I took them out yesterday, but I haven't been able to get it done. Probably I'll just let my nail bed rest until like weekend, and then I will go get it done. Or I might do it myself. Oh, yeah, thank you so much. We are late. I need to get the kids to school, then I need to get to work. But I wanted to chat with you guys, start this vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. And yeah, love you. Bye. See the problem with you with your phone, because you're forced to look at the screen rather than you all. I'm so sorry. Say hi. Isabel, say hi. You guys are exhausted. They just got back from school and they're tired. Okay, let's go. Hi.
Hi.
Renee is reading. Renee, say hi.
Hi.
Renee is reading. Ryan, say hi. Young man of the house, and that is Good morning. It's just another beautiful Thursday morning that we're getting ready to go to work again. I'm trying to get the kids ready. They've just been everywhere this morning. Like, they have been everywhere, but get ready. I'm tired of shouting. I don't know if you guys have the same issues with your kids, but I've tried my best. So what I do is now I try to make them pick their clothes a night before school day, just so that on school days they are not, rumbling about, making a mess, because I hate to go to their closet and it's a mess. So I do that, but it's still like, it's hard. It's still hard to even get them to wear the clothes that are just right here, So anyways, I'm trying to put it together. I'm ready and I'm waiting for them. Can you imagine people that I went to wake? And now I'm waiting for them.
You didn't wake me.
I did. I woke you and Isabel. Here's our OOTD outfits of the day. I'm wearing a jumpsuit.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glimpse, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish.
So the broccoli I like to get is from this brand, Red Eye broccoli, and I like to get the Florence, which is this one. Just this Florence. I'm going to buy 3 because we can eat 2 one day. Another thing that I want to get is, see this chicken I buy from Costco. They have it here, there. Like I prefer to get from Costco though. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Another thing that I want to get is, I know, coconut. I'm not supposed to take coconut, but I like a little bit of it in my yogurt. Remember the yogurt bowl we made? I didn't add coconut because I was out. I don't know if it's the one I made in my last video. I made another coconut, another protein, Greek yogurt protein stuff, and I did not add coconut. So let's add some coconut. Let's get coconuts. Can't find it here. Okay. Many people are just staring at me and I don't give a... I'm like, who is she? Who is this girl? So, another thing I'll be getting before we go back to the coconut oil is... I'm trying to remember. Oh, strawberry. So we need strawberry and coconut. The coconut flakes. I like to get the sweetened one. Yes, it has sugar. But what is the gram of sugar? 4 grams of added sugar. That's fine. I won't do anything more than 4 grams. 4 grams is fine. So I'm not using a lot. So this is fine. Let's go get strawberries. This brand looks red and nice than this other brand. This one doesn't look bad as well. This looks good. The last strawberry I got, my kids were like, "Mommy, you got scammed." But this one looks good. This one looks good. Doesn't look. Some look soft, but not all of them. But at least it's ripe. So that's everything. I'm going to go check out and put it in, wash them and add them to my yogurt bowl. But yeah, let's go check out.
Maybe one day we can break the distance.
Happy Saturday. I'm ready to head out. I want to quickly, to be honest, I really don't have a lot to do today. I'm not buying stuff today. We have enough things in the house at least to last for the week. So I just plan to get water, snacks for school. I have food for the week. I have beans, I have rice, I have stew, I have milk, cereal. Again, I'm trying to reduce the way they eat bread, so I'm not going to get them bread this week. Last week I didn't get bread as well. They love our Nigerian jolly bread, but I'll try to reduce the way they eat it, and so I'm not getting it this week. Well, yeah, that's about it. I just made a quick TikTok video about these AI videos that I've been watching recently. You guys, those videos are very addicting. If you're on TikTok, you know what I mean. Those AI videos, they are very addicting. So I just made a video about it. Well, yeah, I will be going out. See, once you open TikTok, that's what you're seeing is that video, those videos. I don't know who is doing that, but they're very addicting, and I just keep paying for the apps again and again and again and again. Like, they have different apps. It's not like you can watch all of them in one app. So when you like this one, you go to continue watching it, it's from a different app. So it's just very frustrating. But if they can put everything in one app, that would be really nice. But other than that, yeah, that's been what's been keeping me busy. But I'll be going out soon. I might end up editing this vlog. To be honest, I don't even know what is in this vlog. But whatever you guys see, please just bear with me and use it for this week. And if you're watching the vlog, I don't remember I say this a lot. It's going to be helpful if you thumbs up and like the video. I think it sounds kind of cliche saying the same thing over and over again, but it really does help YouTube, push out the videos, which at this point I give up as well with YouTube and that. But It would still be nice, if people can do that. So if you can, I mean, it's not by any means, pushing you or forcing you, but if you can, just thumbs up the video and share and do all this good stuff. If you want to comment, that would also be nice. But I think that's going to be it for this video, and I'll come back and edit it in the evening and call it a wrap. But thank you guys for watching this vlog. I don't really end my vlogs, but this time I think I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you. Bye.